Namaste, myself Dr. Deepa. Today we are going to talk about the topic aruchi, loss of appetite. Many people are suffering from this problem. Means you will get any taste, you will not feel much taste in your oral cavity. So, what may be the reasons for this condition? Excessive intake of heavy food or Agni-mandya. Agni-mandya means our body consists of Jatra-agni. When the intensity of Jatra-agni is reduced, then we will feel like this condition. And many diseases are also a cause for this aruchi, like jaundice or anemia or some liver problems or some infections, some sort of infections or worms. It is also a major problem in many people's like that only. Stress is a major factor, so some 30 to 40 percentage people will eat more during stress, but rest of the people will decrease their food intake. So this is also a reason. Next, one of the major reason is dieting. Some people are dieting very much, and after so many days, if they are not getting their deserved or some goal will be there, if they are not attaining these goals, then they will get into a condition like this aruchi and all. And major and the reason is maybe someone's death or sorrowful or some loss or something in business or some sort of loss like that. So then next condition is bitter taste in the mouth or nausea like symptoms. These are the major causes. Then next is what we can do in Ayurveda or in our daily routine for this condition. Gandusha and Kavalagraha is a procedure of Dinacharya that I have already explained in my videos. So you can just refer. Gandusha and Kavalagraha means oil pulling or gargling with some sort of water or some ghee or oil or something. So already I have done the video for that. Please watch that video also. Then next is in those conditions, what all things will help you to increase the taste overall in your house. You can use amla gooseberry. It is a good taste increaser. Like that only, you can use dried grapes also. You can soak it in the water for 8 to 10 hours and you can take that grapes also. It is also a good option. Pomegranate is very good, very beneficial in these conditions. Like that, green gram soup, it will help more in these conditions. Black pepper also, ginger, garlic, jeera, etc. will be very beneficial in these conditions. Light exercises will helpful, and light lukewarm water will also help in these conditions. Next, we can go for some home remedies. In home remedies, we can use little bit ginger, 1 to 2 inch of ginger and grated ginger, and with that you can add some rock salt and few lemon drops. And if you're taking in divided portions, you will be very helpful with this remedy. Next remedy is you can take buttermilk with some just ginger or with salt. You can make a paste and you can drink that buttermilk also. Next option is you can use roasted cumin seeds, jeera seeds, roasted jeera powder. With that you can add some of hing powder and salt, and you can use this also. Next option is one chutney. How we can prepare this chutney? Take 1/4 to half teaspoon of ghee, and in that ghee you can add some jeera seeds, cumin seeds, coriander seeds, 3 to 4 black pepper, some curry leaves, pudina, mint leaves, and garlic and small piece of ginger also. With that you can add salt also, and if you're frying this in a pan, and all the ingredients, and let it cool. After that you can make some chutney with these ingredients. It will be very helpful for increasing the increasing the ruchi in your tongue. Means for get rid of this condition, it will be very helpful chutney. Next is you can drink warm water, which is prepared by jeera and benin soup, fennel seeds. It will be very helpful. If you're taking lukewarm, it will be very helpful. Like that only, some medicines, Ayurvedic medicines are also very helpful for these conditions. Ingoshtaka churnam, Lavan Bhaskara churnam, etc. Yeah, we can use Chitragati Vadi also. That all those medicines and all, if you're going to Ayurvedic doctor, they can suggest very well. And in these conditions, like aruchi conditions, what all things can't be done, those are, you can't use curd should be avoided in these conditions, or heavy meals should be avoided, and whenever you are feeling hungry, then only you take food. Then natural urges should be passed on in the proper regular time. So if you're having any doubts, please ask, comment me in the box, comment box, and please ask. Thank you. Please like and subscribe and share my channel. Thank you.